Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pages to menu in your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, you will find yourself at the Shopify homepage. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the left and click on Online Store right here. Once you click it, you will see all of these options here. What you want to do is you want to first click on the pages. Now you want to check what kind of pages you have. So in this case, let's add a new page and we say that this is something like FAQ. We're going to click save. And now we have a new page which is titled Frequently Asked Questions. Now to add this page to the menu in Shopify, you want to go to navigation right here underneath the pages. You want to click to main menu right here. And then at the bottom here, you want to click add menu item. So once you click menu item, you can simply click here in this box for link, go to pages and find your FAQ page. You can see that the name was transferred here automatically. You simply click add in the bottom right corner. And there we have it. Our FAQ is added to our main menu. Now we simply gonna click save. And let's give it a try. So next to our online store, there's a little I. We're going to view your online store. And voila, you can see that frequently asked questions page was added to the top menu right here in our Shopify store. So this is how you add pages to the main menu in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.